Hello everyone, today's work is not a template, it's creating a game to show you how powerful the animation of Photoshop is. Let's see it. It's the game all of we played and I really forgotten the name, but it's a game. You can create this and look how fantastic it looks. It's easy to create. I don't click anything. It just simply create an animation that looks good. Okay, let's see how we can create this. At first, we need to add a new slide. We need to add these two shapes. Sorry, everyone. How we add these two shapes? It's really easy. We go to rectangle and create a one rectangle like this. But make it a little more rounded and then create another one here. Then just simply change the color of this one to yellow and this one to a slightly more beautiful blue, and select all of them, shape outline to none, and then your shapes are ready. But we need the ball and the effects. For the effects, what is happening? I don't know. Okay, for the effects, I'm going to shape effect and make them some good shadow effect here. And then for the ball, we insert a ball, and then the ball, we color it black and go to shape effect. It needs some glow up to look more like a ball. It's good. Something like this. It's like more like a ball. Then we need to simply set the transition to morph and then copy this slide. For the start, it's the starter slide. Then let's say the ball is going this way and come here. Now this thing is here. Okay. Now for this slide, this ball is going here. Okay. Then copy that. Let's say it's move a little. Now the ball is coming here. Now let's say it's go something like this. Let's copy that. Now say the ball is coming here. It's go something like this. But he use a power up. And then the ball go straight here. And a goal. And copy that. And set this goal effect. This is just a text to show up, and we format a background to a gradient fill. We use radical, rectangle, radical, okay, this one, and gave it some gold color, something like this, to show the gold effect. And this one is look like this. Okay, now let's see what we created. Okay, ready. You see, it's not working well. You know why? Because you need to change the transition duration to after 0 second. Now everything is must work well. Let's run it. You see, everything is working beautifully. But for the goal effect, we can make it better slightly. How? Let me just copy that and paste it here and go to home and change the size to 1 and align it center, middle. Now let's run it another time. Okay, let's see the start. Sorry, this is the first one. It starts from here. You see, the gold effect is slightly looking better. Don't forget, if you need something, ask me in the comments. I will answer you. And please like and subscribe. Until the next video, have a nice time.